Good morning, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at my towing setup. I figured this might be something that some people would want to see because my car, as you can see, is a car, not a truck. So how do I transport the quad and everything and go on trips? Well, with this girl here. So I bought this trailer shortly after I bought this quad. It's a 4x6 Lowe's trailer. It's like a carry-on from Lowe's, and my quad didn't fit on it. You can see one of my other videos of where I actually extended the front. Here, this little triangle that comes out, it ended right here before, so the quad didn't fit. But as you can see, it fits perfect with the gate, with room to spare. And I gotta say, the Mazda does damn good towing this thing. You can see it's not even squatted. And it's like, it just doesn't care. It's a beast. She's a beast. But my car is a manual transmission, so that does help too. It gives me a little control over, you know, what gear it's sitting in and all that stuff, which is very helpful when, you know, towing a little bit of extra weight. You can freely downshift, you know, and all that stuff. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour. See what other mods did I do to this trailer. I put a plywood deck on it. So it's a nice 3/4 treated plywood deck. I also added this little jack, and I went with the one with the wheel instead of just a platform because it allows me to kind of roll it around when it's not on the car. Another mod I did was I also I pressed a threaded nut inside of this receiver, so instead of just having a pin through, I have a bolt. It takes out all the wobbles, so this thing tows along just silently. There's no knocking or anything like that. And if you have a trailer or tow-to-trailer with a, you know, unibody car, like not a truck where it's a body on frame, all that noise and all that knocking just comes right into the frame of the car, and it's really loud and very irritating. I also got I wired up my car with the lights, so, you know, all my lights are working. And overall, I mean, this is just a banging setup, really. Everything works good, tow's great, and really no complaints. I'm gonna wash up my quad now from a trip. I just wanted to show you guys the setup and show you that if you have a little Mazda 3, you can buy a quad and tow a quad around too, just like the truck guy. So don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, keep wrenching, keep ripping. We'll see you guys next time.